So here I am on one of our wedding and event planner templates, and I'm going to show you an element that's really not in a whole lot of the templates, but in case you happen to get one, that this element is there, or if this is something you want to add. So we're down here to one of our lists. Now I realize I kept calling them lists, but actually in Wix they're called repeaters. Um, so list repeaters, that's basically what I was talking about in the last video. So again, just like I was saying before, these are the ones that if you remove one element, it's going to remove it from all of them. So this is where this is a little bit different. If you come in here, let's say you wanted to update this template and you click on here, you're going to notice here we've got regular and hover. So this is a hover repeater. Now let me show you what that means. If you come in here to preview, and you click on that, it's kind of cool. Got this little hover effect. So I'm going to show you, it's pretty easy to edit these. They can get a little tricky if you're trying to make too many changes to them, but basically all you're going to do is in the regular, you can come in here and change the image, change the background, any of that. And then when you click on hover here, you can see that's where like this little button shows up, and then you can go ahead and put your link in. So it's not too much different than the other repeaters. It's just got that little hover feature. So let me actually show you where those are at in here. Go ahead and add a section. So if you do want to play around with those and add one, you come here to your elements and then go to, where are they? I think it's interactive. Interactive, maybe. Um, Hover repeaters. Here we go. Oh, see, that's why I was calling it list because they do call it list. Okay, so here's repeaters. It's under list. That's why. So they're in here as well. Those hover repeaters. So if you kind of go over it, see how that kind of makes a little, um, it kind of moves. This one kind of moves. So you can kind of play with those. These move a little bit. I think there's a couple more. I think this is the one I used. Yeah. Let's see, you can create your own as well, but these are just kind of, so let's go ahead and add one. I'll show you again. Go ahead and add that. Obviously, you would come in here and change that to however you want, but same thing. You can see here, that's what it looks like there. And then on the hover, it's going to have a couple different, elements to it. So if you happen to see that on your site, don't be confused. That's what that is. Like I said, it's not on a whole lot of the sites, but if you do happen to get one of the templates that has that, all you need to do is go in there and, you know, add the links and everything on that hover feature.